With all fractions questions, I always start by making the fractions top heavy. So 2 and 5/6 is 17 over 6. 4 and 8/9 is 44 over 9. Then, because the method works for all fractions, including algebraic, I cross multiply to get the numerators. And straight multiply to get the denominator. Then add up the numerators. Calculator can simplify this for me before going back to a mixed fraction. So same with subtraction. 3 and 7/10 is 37 over 10. 1 and 1/9 is 10 over 9. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. Straight multiply. Do the subtraction and convert to a mixed fraction. Still with fractions, so still convert to top heavy. Because it's multiply, we just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then simplify the resulting fraction. Division, so change to top heavy. Never divide, far too difficult, so turn the second fraction upside down and multiply. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and in this case it doesn't cancel down. 8 to the -1, negative tells me it's 1 over, so this is 1 over 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 1 is just 8. A denominator of 2 means I want the square root of 4, and then the numerator of 3 tells me I'm going to cube my answer. So the square root of 4 is 2, 2 cubed is 8. So cube root of 64, then square the result. Cube root of 64 is 4, square the result is 16. The negative power tells me that I'm going for the reciprocal, so I'm going to turn the fraction upside down, still squared. 9 squared is 81, 5 squared is 25. The numerator of 3 tells me I'm doing the cube root of 8 and the cube root of 125. Cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 125 is 5. Last one, 7 squared is 49, 5 squared is 25. Percentages. Convert the percentage into either write it as a fraction over 100 or you could write it as a decimal. This is your test score questions, so it's 5589.6 out of 82,200. SD on the calculator tells me it's 0.086 multiplied by 100 converts that to 6.8%. I've got some amount which, when I find 34% of it, the answer is 1853. Opposite of to multiply is to divide. So I get 5450. Increase means I'm adding on to 100, so my 15% is going to become 115%. I want that of 989.